Fox's Jayla Whitfield is near the Hennepin County Courthouse with the very latest. Jayla?
That's right. Today, the state showed an image of Chauvin's knee on Floyd's neck several times. The main topic of discussion was the use of force that Chauvin used on May 25th. They also brought to the stand several members of the Minneapolis Police Department that discussed the policies associated with the use of force. Experts also took the stand today and said that the use of force that Chauvin used on May 25th was a violation of those policies. The Minneapolis Police Use of Force Instructor, Lieutenant Johnny Mercil, took the stand today as well. Mercil wrote the department manual for use of force and trained Chauvin in 2018. He testified that officers are trained to use force, but it must be reasonable. Furthermore, Mercil testified that once handcuffs are placed on a suspect, they should be placed in a recovery position.
So once the subject is handcuffed and compliant or not resisting, is the officer to remove their knee?
That would be an appropriate time.
And how long then is the person, the subject, to be left in the prone handcuffed position once they're compliant?
I think when it's reasonably necessary, you have the time to do it, then you should get them in a different position.
What position is that?
It depends on circumstances, but you can put them in the recovery position on their side. You can sit them up. You can stand them up.
And why would you want to put them into a different position?
There is the possibility and risk that that some people have difficulty breathing when the handcuffs are behind their back and they're on the stomach.
The defense asked Mercil if officers are allowed to use their knee on someone's neck as force, and he said it's not unauthorized and can be used depending on the circumstance. Also today, the defense showed an image of Chauvin on Floyd, but from a different angle that we haven't seen before. The defense pointed out that at some moments in the images, it seemed that Chauvin had his knee on Floyd's neck, but at others, it appeared to be on his shoulder. Floyd's family and Reverend Al Sharpton appeared outside of the courtroom today to pray. They said this trial has been very difficult for them. In Minneapolis, Jayla Whitfield, Fox 5 News.